Broken food jar cleaned in 1 minute. Sweep the big pieces of glasses into the center. Align your dustbin with a grocery bag in the manner that you see and secure it. Now place the head of the broom inside a grocery bag and secure. Sweep all the food inside the dustbin. As you see, the food and the glass goes inside the bag. Unwrap both bags and put them inside out, and then secure them by wrapping them tightly. Dispose of them without touching the glass. Now all you have to do, spray the floor with a soap detergent and wipe.